Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your consumer protection law skills with FTC full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your consumer protection law skills with the Federal Trade Commission, begin by visiting the FTC's official website. Familiarize yourself with the content available under the Consumer Protection section. Read through the foundational materials to understand the key principles and regulations. Download resources and guides provided by the FTC for in-depth knowledge. Explore the latest news and articles to stay updated on current issues and trends. Register for webinars and online training sessions offered by the FTC for practical insights. Participate in community forums or discussion groups focused on consumer protection law. Join professional organizations related to consumer law to expand your network. Consider taking continuing legal education courses focusing on consumer protection. Review past FTC cases to understand enforcement actions and outcomes. Analyze how consumer protection laws apply in various contexts, including digital marketing and e-commerce. Stay informed about legislative changes that may impact consumer rights. Apply your knowledge by volunteering for organizations that advocate for consumer rights. Seek mentorship from professionals in the field to gain valuable perspectives and guidance. Utilize the resources from law libraries or university programs that specialize in consumer protection. Regularly reflect on your learning and experiences to identify areas for further improvement. Commit to ongoing education to ensure your skills in consumer protection law remain relevant and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.